Here we go.
Where you at? This is Breezy's litter. Just turned 6 weeks old today. Just got wormed and had their nails trimmed. Yes, now they're full of it. Oh my heck. Of course, y'all been watching them on webcam, being funny and all that. They're still fat. They're off of mommy's milk and on to soft food. Fixing to go on to just kibble here in a few more days. Poor babies. No more soft food. They're all doing good. They'll just tear up your shoelaces in a second and get in there. Come here.
Some of their ears are starting to come up. I'll be doing still photos later on today. Get those posted.
Oh, you got a toy.
Got a toy.
You got a toy. It's the best toy ever. Don't think it squeaks no more.
Nope.
Come here. They're still just a little bit sleeky because they just first time out here. They're not like Chihuahuas. They get right to it and figure things out. Come here. You! You're eating my ear. You can't eat my ear. No, you can't. Come over here. Come over here.
Yeah, John, it's happening in Washington State and in Colorado where cops are trying to keep old dogs to unlearn from the...
One thing we want to mention is if you want your dog microchipped, we'll do that for $50. And that can be an international or a national registration, and it's $20 for a lifetime to register your dog after it's been microchipped, so it's a total of $70. Some vet's office, they sell you a microchip where it costs you $20 a year. But this is a one-time deal. We can have them ready to go before you go home. Scan them and show you the number on them. And have them set.
So now's the time to let us know so we can do all the microchipping at one time. I think we have one family so far that's committed to that, but please let us know.
If you're considering it, your vet can't beat our price, plus the once in a lifetime registration on your dog for $20, $22, whatever it is. Look at that one.
Yeah.
Scared of the binky.
Pushing the toy.
It's scared of it. That binky's so mean. They're still fat, as you can see. They've lost a little bit of the weight, which is good. That's normally what happens.
They need to start developing some muscle and coordination.
Well, once they get up and walking around, and then they get off the milk, onto soft food, which they protested about.
This little girl, the bald-faced girl with all white, it's funny, she's the most outgoing, the most adventurous, most rambunctious. Not that the others aren't. But also, she's the first one to have her ears come up. Just a little bit ahead of the curve. What are you looking at out there?
Come here. Well, come here. The ears are trying to stand up.
Yeah.
You're the kisser? Good puppy breath.
I love it when they start hopping like rabbits.
It's changed my life. It is the last thing I do before I walk out the door.
Puppies!
Fresh, confident feeling.
Come here.
Here.
You look all concerned. You look all concerned. Why is that? Huh? Why do you look all concerned? So y'all get to watch them on webcam. Lucky you. We have another litter that's just turning about 2.5 weeks old. We're hoping to get another webcam on now. Yes, you guys.
Now, one thing I have noticed on the live streaming webcam is that if you have a Mac or an Apple product, there's a separate app that you have to download for using that type of computer to view the streaming webcam. So I'll be sending you the link out to that. And we're also going to start limiting the access to the webcam to just the puppy family, since I got somebody that went in and hacked it and turned my computer, or my camera off. Kind of a malicious thing to do.
You got an idea who that is.
Yeah. So, anyway, I'll be sending you the new password and new access to it.
Our government is projecting over $20 trillion in debt by 2016 after national debt over the
They're just full of it. What about you, Mr. Droopy Ears?
Kisses, I'm a lover.
Give me kisses.
I'm just a lover boy.
You give me good kisses?
I'm a lover boy. So mellow.
I call you sad sack.
Oh, he's not sad.
Yes, he does.
Because I just run on a different speed than everybody else. Oh, no, no, no. Tuffy, don't bark at the babies. You'll scare them. No barking at the babies. No barking at the babies. No.
He's a cutie. You're a cutie. You want belly rubs?
She's a wild thing.
You want belly rubs? I'll give you belly rubs. Oh, the other one's going to kill one. Here we go.
Oh, found a
The thing
toy.
about the Frenchies and FrenchBos, they don't need much help getting around the world and coming out of their shell.
Nope. And they love their toys. What, Sissy? You come to see me? Come to see Mama? Hello. 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 Oh, get sister. Get her.
Come here. Here, puppy dogs. Here, puppy dogs. Look at you. Look at you. I think every one of them has a spot on their head. Look at these spots. Huh? Look at these spots on your head.
You waggling your tail.
Look at these spots on your head. You got one ear trying to come off.
The boys are so mellow compared to the girls.
Don't be a mellow.
I love how they just wag their little stumps. Their little stumps.
You can see they're all still plenty fat.
Oh, yeah.
They've lost some weight, though.
Tuffy, Lana, be nice to the babies. Yes, be nice to those babies. Oh, you guys can't play with them.
Come here. Say goodbye to your babies. You can watch them on webcam here in another 5 minutes.
Yeah, there they are. There they are. There they are.
Oh, you're going to chew on my finger. Ow! Ow! Okay. Goodbye, babies.
Bye-bye.